USC sued by Sony Music for $42 million over copyright violations. In a dramatic turn of events, Sony Music Entertainment has taken legal action against the University of Southern California, USC, filing a lawsuit in the Southern District of New York on March 11. The stakes are high, with the record label seeking damages that could reach up to $150,000 for each unlicensed song used in over 250 videos, totaling a staggering $42 million. According to the lawsuit, USC has repeatedly ignored notices since 2021, continuing to use copyrighted music without the necessary licenses. Don Franson, an attorney and adjunct professor at UCLA specializing in music law, warns that USC could face significant financial repercussions. Sony is pursuing both actual damages, essentially the fair market value of the licenses, and statutory damages, which the court will determine based on various factors, including whether USC acted willfully. In a statement to the Daily Trojan, USC emphasized its commitment to respecting intellectual property rights and indicated that it would address these allegations in court. While the university prepares its defense, Sony Music has accused USC of deliberately flouting copyright laws to boost its brand visibility and revenue from auxiliary enterprises, claiming this has caused substantial harm to the music giant. Social media platforms have strict rules regarding music usage. For instance, TikTok requires business accounts to confirm they either own the rights to the music or have obtained the necessary licenses before posting. The only way to use music without a license is if it qualifies as fair use, a defense that can be tricky and varies from case to case. Franson notes that the court will evaluate the nature of the use, whether it's commercial or non-commercial, and whether the original work is protected by copyright. As USC has yet to file its response, the specifics of its defense remain unclear. However, if fair use is part of their argument, it could be a challenging position to defend. The lawsuit highlights that USC strategically selected popular songs to enhance the appeal of its promotional videos, effectively linking the university's brand to the success of renowned Sony Music artists. Some of the tracks mentioned include hits like Gimme More by Britney Spears, Run the World, Girls, by Beyoncé, and Beat It by Michael Jackson. These promotional videos often direct viewers to USC's website, where they can purchase tickets to athletic events and university merchandise. Moreover, the lawsuit claims that USC has been quick to exploit newly released chart toppers. For example, in March 2024, the university allegedly used Like That by Future, Metro Boomin, and Kendrick Lamar without permission shortly after its release. Sony Music asserts that after sending an initial warning in June 2021, it followed up with notifications in January 2023 and July 2024. The lawsuit also mentions that from August 15, 2024, to January 15, the two parties had an agreement to pause the statute of limitations to facilitate settlement discussions. Under federal copyright law, damages can only be pursued for a maximum of 3 years. Franson explains that by not signing the tolling agreement, USC forced Sony to act quickly to maximize the potential damages it could claim. Thank you for reading the Daily Trojan. We are proud to be the only independent newspaper at USC, run entirely by students. Our independence allows us to provide a unique perspective on university actions and hold powerful figures accountable. However, it also means our budget is limited. We rely on the support of readers like you to keep our paper independent and accessible. Even a small donation can make a big difference in supporting our work. If you can, please consider contributing to help us continue our mission.